Hello and welcome to this short video introducing you to some of the key features and benefits of all new MG5 EV. All new MG5 EV with its SW body style is well suited to the EV powertrain due to its aerodynamic shape and low front end. We believe it is the optimum shape for maximum driving efficiency. Thanks to its unique body style, the MG5 EV looks like no other electric car. It sits much lower than most, with the water-cooled battery pack integrated into the car's chassis, giving it an extremely low centre of gravity and excellent dynamics, as well as a sleek, low-slung and aerodynamic appearance. The car comes as standard with the bi-function projection headlights with LED daytime running lights, giving great visibility and a feeling of confidence in any weather, day or night. In the centre, we have the prominent MG badge. It not only looks great, but also houses the charge point, which opens to the side when you press the MG badge. Using the cable, you plug in here. And when charging, the charged state is shown in the driver information display. This shows what is currently happening. The cable also locks in place when the vehicle is locked. The car uses Type 2 fast charging, providing a full charge in 8.5 hours. On the go, you can use a rapid charger with CCS connection, giving an 80% charge in just 50 minutes. Which would give between 171 and 221 miles of range, subject to driving style and conditions. On a full charge, all new MG5 EV offers a range of 214 miles combined or 276 miles in city driving. Opening the bonnet, the protective safety cover conceals a lively 115 kilowatt motor. And that allows the MG5 EV to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 8 seconds. And then onto a top speed of 115 miles per hour with the lively power delivery that you would expect from a modern EV. It also accelerates from 0 to 30 in 3.2 seconds. Moving to the side of the car, you see the prominent crease lines which help the aerodynamics and most notably help maximise EV range. The long wheelbase of 2,665mm gives a comfortable ride on the motorway whilst maximising internal space and cabin comfort. A huge list of passive and active safety equipment is fitted as standard on all new MG5 EV, including multiple airbags, ESP, emergency brake assist and hill launch assist, just as you would expect. Moving to the rear, the first thing you notice is the stylish look with large tailgate clusters for great visibility and a stylish chrome bar running between them. The wide rear track again helps interior space, most notably shoulder room in the back and stability on the road. The large versatile boot is accessed from a wide tailgate opening with a low sill to make loading bulky or heavy items nice and easy. With the rear seats up and load cover in place, there is 464 litres of boot space, rising to 1,456 litres with the split folding rear seats down. Sometimes you will find lots of luggage space means less passenger space. That's definitely not the case in here, as there is ample headroom and plenty of legroom, even when seated behind a tall driver. Electric windows all round are standard. The interior of all new MG5 EV offers a real quality feel. The driver's seat has 6-way adjustment and is electrically operated on the Exclusive, which also offers leather style upholstery and seat heating. Push button start is a standard feature and the Exclusive also has keyless entry. Automatic transmission is standard and provides effortless refinement in all driving conditions. Of course, we are talking about an EV here, so range is an important consideration. MG5 EV employs KERS, kinetic energy regeneration system, which extends your driving range and improves the braking efficiency and energy conservation. It is operated using this tactile toggle switch. You can adjust to different modes of regenerative braking. The higher the mode chosen by you, the more energy the regenerative brakes try to harvest, with mode 1 offering the lowest and mode 3 offering greater levels of energy regeneration. There are also 3 driving modes with MG5 EV, Eco, Normal and Sport, allowing the car to fully adapt to your everyday driving needs, whatever your preference. The car is designed with everyday life in mind, allowing you to get the most out of your vehicle while staying connected with all aspects of your busy lifestyle. All versions feature an 8-inch colour touchscreen for the infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay integration. It's bright, well positioned and easy to use, as you can see. All versions of the car benefit from a rear parking camera with dynamic guidelines to get in and out of those challenging parking places. All models also benefit from DAB radio, so you can listen to a wide range of stations with something for everyone. Additionally, there are 4 USB ports for connecting your phone or other device and for charging. So there you have it, the all-new MG5 EV. Great styling, comfort, technology, safety and practicality, all in an EV with great driving characteristics. Plus, it's built to the highest standards in our state-of-the-art manufacturing plants. We are so confident of its quality and reliability that it carries a 7-year manufacturer's warranty. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this informative and an interesting insight into this amazing new electric MG.